When it comes to automobile dealership, Group Landmark has become a name synonymous to trust and professionalism. Associated with numerous global brands, it is spread across major cities and towns in India. This is why I am super excited today to be here at Volkswagen Surat, an authorized dealership for Volkswagen passenger cars, to review the all-new Volkswagen Tiguan. So let us see what it has got for us.
The Volkswagen Tiguan is the first SUV by the German carmaker under the India 2.0 project. Let's quickly take a look at the exteriors. The front features the traditional Volkswagen face with stylish and striking all-LED headlights, signature 3D chrome step grille with integrated GT logo, and it now houses the new Volkswagen logo that represents the bold attitude of the new Volkswagen Tiguan. The bumper too is smartly designed with chrome wing running. The fog lamps are nicely placed for great throw of light. Fenders also sport the GT badge to show that it's the GT trim. There are sharp shoulder lines to emphasize on the elegance that the Tiguan carries around. Tiguan rides on 17-inch precision-cut alloy wheels. The dual tone effect makes it stand out from the crowd. The rear portion looks quite cool and funky. The first-in-segment Infinity LED tail lamps run across the width of the boot, giving it a classy look. Bumper gets chrome treatment with reflectors and rear parking sensors. Let's hop in to check out the interiors. Stepping inside and you're greeted by a wave of luxury. The beautifully laid out dashboard attracts the eyeballs instantly. The 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system is very smooth and fluid to use. The graphics are crisp and clear that makes it easy to read. It gets all the latest connectivity features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with inbuilt satellite navigation. There are some additional apps like Gaana, Booking.com and audiobooks. Moving down, and there's the touch-sensitive Climatronic automatic climate control system. The fan speed and temperature can be adjusted via this smart slider. Isn't that really cool? The Volkswagen Tiguan gets state-of-the-art 8-inch virtual cockpit system that brings up all the vehicle-related information at the press of a button. It's a very detailed and premium instrument cluster. The traditional Volkswagen flat-bottom steering wheel feels quite premium to hold. It now gets the new VW logo as well. There are dedicated buttons to control the infotainment system and the virtual cockpit controls on either sides of the wheel. Tiguan also gets a wireless charger to fuel your device on the go. Tiguan gets plenty of storage spaces to put things safely while you're inside your SUV. Let's check out the back seat. The rear seats are quite comfortable. You get ample of legroom along with great headroom. There's also a center armrest with twin cup holders for added comfort. The seats are soft and the recline angle is good too. Additionally, there are USB ports for charging devices. Rear seats get ISOFIX child seat points as well for added safety. The boot space is enormous. It gets 385 liters of space. You can throw in multiple bags and luggage while you take out your Tiguan on a long trip. Volkswagen also offers an electric sunroof for the Tiguan. It's quite wide and it enhances the airy feeling inside the cabin. The car is powered by a 1.5-litre TSI unit. This is quite a technologically advanced unit. It has cylinder deactivation, where two cylinders shut off on lighter loads to aid efficiency. This works seamlessly unless you look down upon the cluster, you won't even notice. Talking about the performance, the gearbox has been tuned for conservative launches to preserve clutch life. The vehicle creeps forward and due to good low end, it's a good city crawler. The mid-range is where the real punch lies. It accelerates briskly. The car shifts gear without anyone noticing, it's that quick. The presence of paddle shifters increase the fun element in the Taygun. The Taygun has typical German suspension we feel. It's slightly on the stiffer side at low speeds, and as speeds increase, it flattens bumps beautifully well. The stability at high speeds is a typical Volkswagen attribute that it has attained. The car even during cornering stays composed and doesn't feel like a tall SUV to drive. It's a damn good car to throw around the corner. The Taygun has a light steering at parking speeds, which becomes very convenient in the city, and on the highway it weighs up decently well so you can maintain confidence while driving hard. Braking is one of the strongest qualities of the Taygun. The car stops so well and so predictably that even in case of sudden maneuvers, the car will hold its line without making the driver feel nervous. This is where the real money of R&D is spent to make the car fundamentally stronger. The Volkswagen Taygun is a made-for-India vehicle. It looks good, gets plush and premium interiors, and is also heavily loaded with features. I am totally mesmerized by the driving experience. I would go as far as saying it's the most fun to drive crossover in its segment. It's that good and could introduce many first-time buyers to what German driving experience is. And now coupled with the affordable running costs, owning a Volkswagen has just been made easier.
The Volkswagen Taygun is unmistakably a true Volkswagen. It bets big on VW's future in India. It drives brilliantly well, packs a long list of features and also gets a plush and premium interior. The build quality is excellent with robust fit and finish. It is indeed an all-rounder SUV. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Take a test drive of the Volkswagen Taygun at Landmark Volkswagen Surat.